I am really excited to share this story with you. For years, I have been getting pedicures, and I still do. And often it would be a little embarrassing because I'd go, and even if it's just been a month or 6 weeks since I had my last pedicure, when they got the little shaver, or like that kind of looks like a cheese grater, it would be absolutely disgusting. And calluses would just fly off the back of my heels, the sides of my feet, my big toe. And honestly, I needed the pedicure, but it was a little embarrassing. And even one time I recall the person sitting next to me going like, ew, that is so disgusting. But just for whatever reason, my feet will just produce these huge calluses. And then I learned about doTERRA's Yarrow Palm Serum, and I got my next pedicure and then started putting that on every day, like in the morning, right out of the shower. And then I wasn't as consistent with the nighttime application, but I would put it on for sure once a day, and I still do. And I don't know, I can't explain what happened. I can just tell you those calluses did not grow back. My feet would be soft and supple, and like I just had a fresh pedicure every single time. Now I notice, like right now, my feet, there are a little bit of callus buildup on it. But I haven't been for several months. But then they're still okay. They're still soft, and I can't see that big white callus growing. So I am all for the Yarrow Palm for the feet, to keep them beautiful and to just keep your pedicure lasting long enough to make a difference.